This phantom wallet shows $4.1 million, all from launching meme coins. No gambling, no chasing charts, just a system that prints over and over. Stay tuned, I'll show you how it works. Now, a couple months ago, I used to trade meme coins every single day, and every single time I bought into a new meme coin, I basically got dumped on. The truth is, the money isn't in buying these coins, it's in launching them. When you launch a coin, you set the supply, the timing, and the entire hype. And as the creator, you have nothing to lose. If you keep trading, you will lose every single time. It happened to me. And with Bitcoin at new highs and Solana surging, this is the best time to start launching. Make sure to keep watching. Quick reminder, this video is made for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't copy my strategy, just learn the strategy. Cap! Now Pump.Fun is flooded. Hundreds of coins launch every single minute, and most of them vanish instantly. And you don't even control your own liquidity when you launch a coin. So for example, if you make a coin, you launch it, and you're up a couple $1,000s, you cannot even remove that money. That's all the downsides of Pump.Fun. But on Create Tokens.io though, you launch straight to Raydium. Your coin is instantly graduated and migrated, and you keep full control from day one. That's exactly why thousands of people use Create Tokens.io to make meme coins. But anyways, with Create Tokens.io, you've got two simple methods to launch and create a meme coin. The first option is to create from scratch. So first of all, pick a trending story. I would highly recommend to go on Twitter or any social media platform that you know and try to find a good narrative. It could be literally anything, okay? Then try to look for a good narrative, and then come back to Create Tokens.io, set the token name, symbol, and add a 128 by 128 logo, and then launch it, and just like that, your coin is live, fully built from scratch. But the second option is the most profitable and my go-to, the copy trending coins. It posts coins already exploding on Pump.Fun, and they put them all on the list. You launch them instantly on Raydium, and since they already have buyers chasing them, you get instant traffic and bigger profits right out the gate. If you are a newbie and you are a beginner and you want to make quick cash, I would highly recommend to copy coins to begin with. They all have a good narrative, and they all have the potential to make money. Alright, let's quit talking and actually hit the launch right now so you can see how it works exactly step by step. So first of all, make sure your wallet is connected to the site, just like so. And then click on refresh, and we're gonna look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the Moimon coin. It has a last buy 11 seconds ago and a $22,000 market cap, so create coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal, just go through it, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created, just give it a bit of time for it to load. Boom, and yeah bro, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. So this page is where we set up liquidity. It's what makes the coin instantly tradable on Raydium. There's two simple steps. First of all, token A, just click 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. For the amount token B, think of it as planting the seed for your own market. It's your first buy, but you are not losing anything. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that Solana comes right back to you into your wallet. So obviously you have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana, create pool, then click on confirm. After that, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Memon coin is on live, our profits are here. And if you click on refresh once again, now we're up $203 on the coin, which means people are buying our coin right now. Click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for you guys. Okay, we're getting our buys in. That should be like $200 right there. Let's go. We are at a $1.5 thousand market cap. a bit of transactions, volume. Things are looking good. This is the power of Create Tokens.io combined with Raydium. It's absolutely insane. These are all fucking buyers coming in from thin air, bro. It's all organic. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. I'm gonna be right back when the time is right to cash out profit. So be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. My bad. I didn't screw up because I was AFK, but it looks like we are at a 3.5k market cap, 1.7 thousand in liquidity. Right now is a good point to, cash out and make some money. So, first of all, come back to createtokens.io. After that, click on refresh. And boom, we're up $1.7 thousand. If you click on the minus button, 200%, click the red button. Now we're up 8 fucking Solana. Click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you create a meme coin, launch it on the blockchain, and print generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, all the fucking money is there. It's all legit. Let's fucking go.